Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel, and today I will be sharing a special treat with you guys. This is from on Ricardo's birthday when we decided to go ahead and purchase the Tesla that we have been working towards. So congratulations to us. And what I'm doing here is basically creating some merch to go along with this awesome day when we're going to pick up the car. And I did that late at night while Ricardo was sleeping. So this part he actually did not know about, and it was a very awesome surprise. So basically what I'm doing here is cutting out vinyl, HTV vinyl, which is the vinyl that you heat press onto your fabric, your material, whatever you have, to create a bond. So the Cricut goes ahead and it cuts that out for me, and now that it is done, it is time for me to weed out that design. The first thing that I like to do is separate any vinyl that I no longer need, and now I am just weeding, which is pulling back the unneeded vinyl off. Now that I finished doing the big weeding, I'm going ahead and going deeper inside the design to get all of those little pieces like the headlight, the bumper, and different things like that on the car that helps you see that this is the car that we're working with. Once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and take it to my sweatshirt and to our t-shirt. So let's go. Okay, you guys, so one thing that I did realize is that I actually did not reverse it the first time that I cut my vinyl out. So now it just looks like backwards. You see it like really written backwards. So what I decided to do was to get rid of the letters that was backwards. There wasn't anything that I can do about that, but to use the cars, because it's not like a word, I can just go ahead and rearrange the S3 X and Y model cars to still spell out that sexy that we're working with. And I actually like the color diversity that it ended up having with the black and the light blue, which is Ricardo's favorite color. The light blue and the black is my favorite color, so it's a perfect match. It really did just come together. I love the way that it looks. And you see that I'm putting the car model under the letter that it matches, or in the case of the 3, under the number that it matches. And now that that is laid out nicely, I'm going to go ahead and get ready to press it. Now with this, I'm getting ready to press my sweatshirt as well, and it's pretty easy because it is all the same color. We have the blue straight across on the black sweatshirt, or hoodie should I say, and this part actually came out really nice. I love the way that he looks in the sweatshirt. Like, it was just adorable. It was perfect for him to go along with the mask as well. So that was pretty dope. Stay along with me to see how we do the mask as well. So here we're just going to go ahead and repress it after I took off that clear coating. And I'm simply waiting for my press to be done, and that is it. You guys can see the shirt have wrinkles where I didn't press. You guys can steam it out or iron it, whatever you would like to do. But they usually just come out after you leave them on a hanger for a while. Today he will be wearing the sweatshirt. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and press my sweatshirt and just have that vinyl to be bonded onto my material. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and get ready to do any other pieces that I need. Now, so this is done. I'm going to go ahead and let it cool off for a little bit while I work on my mask. And the best way that I could personalize this mask is to do the SE on one side and the XY on the other. So once it's on his face, the word pretty much goes straight across the line. And I was thinking, should I press it like flat, or should I just do one side of the mask and the other side? And I felt like doing one side at a time was best, so that I do not mess up the angle and the layout of the mask. Now here, I believe my camera fell, and it was like a late night, early morning, and I just was like, okay, let me pick it back up and keep going. So don't mind that part. And so far we have our sweatshirt, t-shirt, and mask completed. Now, one thing that I wanted to throw in there as a curveball is this beautiful blanket, because you know, when you're charging your Tesla, it takes about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on if you're at a level 2, level 3, or just a random electric car charger, EV charger station. So I thought it would be cute to create a charging station blanket, which would be perfect to watch Netflix or YouTube or even play video games with and just be chill and relaxed. Don't forget to check out the romantic setting and the entertainment part of the Tesla. I really found that to be really cute with the heater in the back with the fireplace. It's really cute. Go ahead and play around with your car, guys. So at this point, I'm just laying down my paper to sublimate this. If you guys want to know more about sublimation or Cricut cuts and vinyl and everything, go ahead and check out my channel and you guys will see many more videos on all of this. I went ahead and I lint rolled my blanket because it's a really fluffy blanket and I don't want any words to be messed up from the fluff and loose fluffiness, if that makes any sense. Okay, so at this point I am just waiting for the time to be complete and we are done. I'm going to check it out and this is what it looks like. I went ahead and put our exact car model, which is the Model Y, in gray on the blanket, and I thought that was really cute to personalize it. And I had an extra one, I guess in case I messed up or I had another idea in mind, so I just went ahead and I put that same car on the back of the blanket as well. He really did think this was just the cutest thing ever, so I really enjoyed making this craft so that we can always have it, and I most definitely do use that blanket when I'm chilling in the car. Now that this is complete, we're going to go ahead and take off that paper and discard it. And I'm going to show you guys the whole setup, the whole layout of the wonderful gift that I put along with my husband's Tesla. If you guys want to see the video where he is trying to convince me to make this move, go ahead and check out the video in the description below. Because I got my man a Tesla. Hashtag check out that video so you can know what I'm talking about. At this point, I'm just finishing off what I started. And I can't wait to show you guys the finished product. Okay. I believe I actually put 3 cars on there, which is really funny, like one on each corner except the last corner. So here we are, you guys. We have a t-shirt, a blanket, a hoodie, and a mask, all created in one day for one very amazing guy for one really awesome car. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave that in the comment section below. And I want to show you guys how cute I put it together with my little basket with little things that I know that he likes. Okay. Like, I was so happy and I was so excited. And enjoy this last clip of us getting our brand new Tesla. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we cannot wait to see you and hear from you next time.
Oh, you can't see me smiling.
I can't. All right. Thank you so much.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, walk down, look for
Say bye to the Lancer.
Your name will be on the dash. Just hold the key up to the door and unlock it. You're good.
Oh, Tesla, I already know.
Cool. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Tesla, my wrist be ew.
So you guys, we are picking up the Tesla.
That was super easy. We just signed like 4 papers and everything online.
So I guess we can take off the mask now.
Yeah.
So we are picking up our Tesla Model Y today. If you guys go back to our recent YouTube videos, you guys will see the video of Ricardo talking about convincing me to get him the Tesla, which he did. So we are now picking that up. This is going to be fun. Let's see. It says Ricardo?
It does.
Oh, let me see. Aww. Happy birthday. Wait, let me see your shirt.
Oh, because I'm sexy.
Where your mask at?
You want me to wear it?
You don't have to. Just let me see it. Oh.
I can't wear it no more.
I'm trying not to get the tag. All right. Let's go.
It's upside down.
Okay, sexy. Let's go.
Let's go.
you supposed to open the door? I'm a noob. I don't know what I'm doing. Push it. I push it. I push and I pull. You gotta learn how to do it. Okay. Woo.
Oh, I definitely gotta move my seat.
Okay. So, babe, how does it feel to be an owner of a Tesla Model Y?
I do not know yet. It feels, I don't know, surreal. I don't know.
So, you guys, it's surreal.
Oh,
We are
I can't believe it.
It was.
I think it's too easy to trade in your car.
It was really. That was really
like,
fast. That was really easy.
That was too. I don't know.
So let's
You just put this here?
let's go have some fun. No.
Oh no, this is registration. I'm not gonna.
They give it to us. All right, say bye, babe.
Peace.